Hello guys, and welcome back to Learn Coding Skills. In this video, we'll be going through installing and using the liveserver vscode extension. So for those of you who don't know what this does, it simply creates a local server for you to use for your development, and it allows for live reloading, which is a really cool feature. So this means that when you save your code, it will automatically update on the page without you having to refresh. Okay, let's get into it. So we'll go over to extensions and search for liveserver. And yes, it's this one at the top here by Bitwig Day. So press install. We've now got it installed, so let's use it. So before we activate it, let's put in some code. I'm gonna add a div that says hello world. And now, yes, we press on this go live button at the bottom, and that will activate everything for us. And there we go. You can see the text here, hello world. And now if I was to, let's say, add an exclamation mark and save it, you can see that appears here as well. I have this style sheet here, this CSS file. So let's link it up and see that everything works properly. Styles.css. And look, there we go. Oh wait, the closing bracket, and there we go. So I hope that this video was helpful in getting you started with the liveserver feature in VS Code. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments, and please press the like button if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.